So what words get people watching YouTube the longest and getting you the most views? Well, I'm gonna tell you right after this. Hey, it's Dane Golden from Hey.com, and if this is your first time on the channel, just click subscribe so you can start getting the best video marketing value tips. 3 of you have asked me what is the best word to use, or words, when you get people watching longer on your YouTube videos. Well, guess what? It's you, or a version of the word you, like your, yours, yourself, yourselves, you'll, you'd, your, again, the one with the apostrophe RE, because these are the words that tell the viewer that they are the most important person in any video. It's not the subject, it's the viewer. And we did this test with TubeBuddy. We looked at 30,000 videos and we looked for the word you in the first 5 seconds, the first 10 seconds, the first 30 seconds, 3 different areas. We found that if you said the word you just once in the first 5 seconds of a video, you would get 66% more views. If you said it twice, you would get 97% more views. So for instance, if you are not saying the word you during that period, you're getting 100% of the views that you normally get. 100% is exactly the same as what you're getting. But we found that you'd get 197% of the views you're getting. That means it's almost double, almost 200% of the views you were getting before. So if you were getting 100,000 views, you'd now be getting 197,000 views just by saying one word or a version of the word you. So how do you say it twice in the first 5 seconds? Well, what if you said, today I'm going to show you how to fix your car? Well, technically you and your, it's really the same word, isn't it? Now, this is something that a lot of professional videos, if you're a marketer, you want to do a professional video, right? And what are they doing in these videos? They're looking off camera. They're being interviewed by someone and they're looking off camera. But that's not saying that you're the most important person in a video. The way you tell someone they're the most important person in a video is you look at them and you say the word you, right? Get up in their grill, look at them. Do a close-up like this. This is what's called breaking the fourth wall in motion pictures. But actually a lot of the well-known TV shows that you're seeing these days and movies, they actually talk right to the camera, don't they? I'm gonna flash some on the screen because so many of the most popular movies that you like, they're saying the word you. So why are we, as marketing video creators, why are we saying, no, don't do that, look off screen to some interviewer? You don't wanna do that. The best YouTubers, the best channels, the best YouTube ads, they all look at the screen and tell you this. Again, so if you say the word you or a version of it once in the first 5 seconds of a video, you will get most likely 66% more views. 66% more. So if you had 100% before, now you have 166%. And if you say the word you twice, like you and your, yourself, yours, y'all, you will get almost twice as many views. On average, we did a median of 30,000 videos. So check out your own videos and see if you're saying the word you in the first 5 seconds of your video. And if you're not, change and start doing it. So I'll see you in the next video. You do that and you'll be golden.